Hello guys, he's an interesting person. So that's the way that's my daughter. Okay, it's okay. So what I'm asking you to do is to use addition. I'm talking about arithmetic operation, subtraction, divisions, parentheses. You can also use factorial or and as well as square root. Okay, you can also use power. So they're going to use only 3 okay, only 3 to have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so hit the pause button and then try to do it, and then after that we're gonna do it together. Okay, so give it a try first. Okay, I'm gonna put the pause a little bit. Okay guys, we are back. So okay, so what we're gonna do, no, I'm working my okay, well, that's my daughter. Okay, so remember guys to subscribe. There is a red button here. Okay, subscribe to stay connected. Okay,
make sure
yeah.
Hey, make sure click the red button and subscribe, guys.
Make sure to hit the red button and subscribe. Okay, for my sister, do that so that you can. Okay, guys, let's do the first one.
Yep.
Okay, so okay, it's 3, right? 3 to get 0.
Let me do it.
So by the way, there's different way you can do it. So I'm gonna just do some. You can try, and then if you find some other way, just leave a comment behind. So this one is easy, guys. We can do that. 3 minus 3 give me 0. 0 times 3 give me 0. That's easy. Okay. So now let's go for the second one. The second one is to have with so the second one we have 3. Oh, so it should be equal to 1. Okay. Okay. So let's try to have 1 here. How are we gonna do it? How are we gonna have 1? So very different way. We can do that. Example: 3 to the power of 3 minus 3. Okay, this is gonna give me 3 to the power of 0, which gives me 1, right? Okay, but we can do it like 3 factorial. That's 6, right? That's 6 divided by that gives me 6, right? 6 divided by 3 plus 3. That's gonna give you 1 too. Okay? Since 3 factorial is 3 times 2, 1 that gives 6. So I'm gonna have 6 divided by 6. That gives me 1. Okay? Okay, guys. Now let's go. Let's go for the this part. This one. Hold on. Let me erase. So this one is easy. So the way to find it, so we can have like 3 plus 3. So this gives 6, right? 6 divided by 3. That gives you 2. So there is different way. You might find another way to do it. That's fine. You have another way to do it. So okay. Now let's go to this one. Okay. So this one is easy too. So it's like 3 plus 3, minus 3. That gives you 3. Okay. If you find another way to do it, just leave a comment. So now let's find out this part. 3 equal 4. Let's see for 4. So this one also it's easy. But by the way, the hardest one gonna be we got 10 to I forget, guys. So the last one is 3 equal 10. I think that the hardest. We're gonna do it. That's the last. Okay. So we are in 4. So But for this one, so what we can do is like 3 plus 3 over 3. So which will give, so that give 1. 3 plus 1 give 4. Okay? So you know priority operations. This give you 1, and 3 plus 1 give you 4. Okay? Let's go for 5. Okay, this one you need to think a little bit for this one. So that's where we're gonna use factorial. So for this one, so we're gonna have 3 factorial. So you know 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. That's gonna give you 6, right? So since this gives you 6, we're gonna minus 3 over 3. So 3 factorial, remember, is 3 times 2 times 1 will give you 6. 6 minus 2 over 3, that give you 1. 6 minus 1 give you 5. Okay, guys, so let me, again, it's 3 times, when you're going to solve it, okay? This gives you 6, right? 6 times, 6 minus 2 over 3, that give you 1. And then we got 5. Okay? So still, it's only the symbol, but we only use 3, 3. Okay, when we solve it, that's another thing, but we use the factorial. Okay? Okay, now let's go this one. Okay, now 6, it's easy. So the way to do it, I just 3 times 3, that give you 9, and then minus 3, you got 6. That was easy. Okay, so now let's go for 7, right? Hold on. Okay, 7, we're gonna use factorial again. So it's gonna be factorial 3. You know factorial 3 gonna give 6, right? So plus 3 over 3. Okay, so here I'm gonna have factorial 3 that gonna give me 6, right? Plus 3 over 3 that gonna give me 1. 6 plus 1 give us 7. Okay, so we use factorial in for 7 and for 5. But remember, like I told you guys, I'm pretty sure there is different other way that you can do this. So leave a comment, you know, for other way that you can solve this. So let's go to 8. Okay, we're gonna use factorial again for 8. So it's gonna be 3 factorial. As you know, 2 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 give you 6. So we got 6. So we might need to add 2. 6 plus 2. How to get 2 here? So one way to do it, if I want to have 2 with only this, I might do this. 3 factorial over 3. Okay, so this gonna give me 6, right? 6 plus. What about this? This gonna give me, so this gonna give me something like, we know 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, but since it's over 3, I can simplify. So I'm gonna end up 2 times 1 give me 2. There you go. This gives me 8. Okay, that was a kind of tough, but you might find another way to do it, so just let me know. Okay, now let's go for 9. I think 9, that's the easiest one. Right? So we just put plus here, and that's it. So that's the easiest part. We can do 9 like this also. 3 to the power of 3, that's gonna give 7. 7 divided by 3, that's will give you 9 too. Okay, so there's definitely other way to do that. So now let's go to the hardest part. Yeah, let's go to the hardest part. Let's do for 10. Yeah, hold on. So guys, let's go for the hardest one, this part. I guess for most of you, that's the one that really you couldn't find. So let's try to see. So One way we can do it, try this one. Let's say we can say the square root of 3 times 3. Okay, we know square root of 3 times 3, that's gonna give you 3, right? Because that's gonna be the square root of 3 to the power of 2, that's gonna give you 3. So we can do with this one, we can do this another square root of, so the square root of 3 times 3 over, excuse me, over 3%. 3%. That should give us 10. Let's understand. So first of all, let's do this, the first square root. The first square root gonna give me 3, right? I'm gonna have 3 over 3%, right? What that means, so try to do 3 over 3%. So basically, if you 3 over 3%, you can use your calculator. If you do that, this normally should give you 100. Okay, so square root of 100, that should give you 10. Okay, guys, so that's one way to do it. So but that was a kind of difficult to find. So if you have other solutions, so I was thinking about other solutions too, but it's involved, you know, more. It's involved the use of derivatives if you want to use derivatives. So the way to do it, let me show you. Hold on. So we can use this. We can do this using derivatives. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have 3 times 3. That's given 9, right? Plus the derivatives of, excuse me, hold on, sorry. So plus the derivative of 3, okay, derivative x, okay, if you, that's that x, okay, so if you find the derivative of x, the derivative of 3 to the parameter of x, that's normally give you 0. So with this we can do the factorial of 0, that will give you 10. So that basically give me 9. When I compute the derivative of 3 with the parameter x, that gives me 0, since it's factorial 0. Okay, so that gives me 9 plus 1, that gives me 10. There it is. So guys, there it is. So if you have any other solution for this, you can leave a comment. So remember to subscribe to my channels. So we trying to have fun doing some mathematics, so some basic stuff. We have also the Facebook page. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel also, as well as the Facebook page. Okay, so take care guys, see you next. Bye.